Welcome back, guys. Still on advanced prototyping using variables. In this video, we're going to learn how to create Boolean variable prototype. So sit back and let's dive in. So to create this Boolean variable prototype, we're going to be using this design from our previous video. And what we just basically want to do here is a situation where when you click on this close icon, it just closes this alert. So the first thing you want to do is go to your local variable, and under prototyping, we are going to create a Boolean variable, and we are going to name this alert. So now we make it true, right? And you close this. So now what you want to do now is we want to link this entire card to that variable, Boolean variable just created. So now you double click on this icon and you select it, you link it to it, so it has been linked. So now the next thing you want to do is to go to the prototyping section. So now select this close icon, click on interaction, then click on set variable, and under set variable you locate the alert. Then you need to link it to false and enter, and that's it. So let's test our design and let's see if it's going to work. So when you close this, can you see what happened, guys? It closes. So let me we launch that and let's see again. So when you click on this close, can you see it disappears? That is how to create a Boolean variable prototype in Figma. Thank you for sticking around and catch me on the next video.